While an entire city is still asleep, this place is already racing against time. Before the sun rises, every minute counts. Rice, lentils, water, and years of experience come together to create one of South India's most essential breakfast staples. Every bag must be filled, sealed, and delivered before the city wakes up. There are no second chances. If they're late, dozens of restaurants and stores won't have fresh batter for the morning rush. This is Sivakumar. Years ago, he started with nothing more than a single grinder, a bicycle, and a determination to deliver fresh batter every single morning. In the beginning, there was no factory, no fleet of delivery vehicles, and no large production line. Just one small grinder, an old bicycle, and a promise to deliver fresh batter on time every single morning. As word spread, more stores wanted fresh batter every morning. Production wasn't the problem anymore. Delivering it on time was. To keep up with demand, the family didn't need a bigger factory first. They needed a faster way to reach their customers. That single decision changed everything. What started with a single grinder and just 100 kilograms of batter a day gradually grew into a business producing nearly 700 kilograms every morning. Not because the work became easier, but because every part of the operation became more efficient. By the time most people are just waking up, the first deliveries are already on the road. Every minute matters because breakfast can't wait. Before most people even think about breakfast, the day's first deliveries have already arrived. Within minutes, fresh batter becomes steaming idlis, crispy dosas, and the first meal of the day for countless families. Most customers will never know the journey behind every bite, but for one family, it begins long before sunrise. Today, this is more than a business. It's a family built on discipline, trust, and mornings that begin long before the rest of the city opens its eyes. By the time the city is fully awake, the hardest part of their day is already over. Tomorrow, before dawn, they'll do it all again. Success wasn't built in the spotlight, it was built in the quiet hours before sunrise. One delivery, one customer, and one morning at a time. While the world was still asleep, they were already building tomorrow.